सर डॉक्टर भगवान होते हैं।
Oh, that's all right.
Yes, sir.
But God is God.
Yes, sir.
We are lesser than God. At the time of stampede,
Yes, sir.
at the
You're talking
29th,
about 29. Yeah.
29th,
Yeah.
we was much worried
Hmm.
when we heard that there is stampede in the Sangam Nose.
Okay.
So we all were sleeping in our this
Cottages,
temporary awas is the main cause if you are not aware of your surrounding.
Yeah.
So any even a single life is very important for us.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So don't lose your life. Be aware and take holiday at our places. AI based ICU in the temporary setup. You
Great
cannot
to
think
you, sir.
about it.
जहाँ पे कुछ नहीं होता वहाँ पे आप लोग ने जन्नत बना दी सर।
Our result is that I am telling you कि 1675 patient was admitted in ICU. All are from the myocardial यानी कि heart attack, COPD and stroke. Only 4 death is in
World
out
record.
of हाँ ICU में जब तक उस पेशेंट का करेक्टिव मेजर नहीं लिया जाएगा तब तक बीप बजता रहेगा। एग्जैक्ट सिचुएशन जो थी वो थी कि भगदड़ तो मची ही थी
जी।
और विद इन 30 सेकेंड में हमारी जो स्ट्रेटजिक लोकेशन की एम्बुलेंस थी, चूँकि ऑलरेडी हम लोगों ने जो स्ट्रेटजिक लोकेशन थे वहाँ एम्बुलेंस खड़ी कर दी थी कि आवश्यकता पड़ने पर 30 सेकंड के अंदर वो एम्बुलेंस वहाँ पहुँची है। 30 सेकंड के अंदर उसने अपना कार्य शुरू कर दिया और जो पेशेंट ला सकते थे और करीब 1.5 घंटे तक ये सिलसिला चला है। हमारी एम्बुलेंस भीड़ से चीरती हुई निकलती हुई बाकायदा अस्पताल आई है। जिनको रिकवर किया जा सकता था उनको रिकवर किया गया और करीब 70 के आसपास पेशेंट उस दिन हमारे पास आए थे।
Hello, welcome everyone to the channel of Mic to Mic with Rohit. And today we have Dr. Vivek Mishra. I am really glad to introduce him. He's a genuine guy. He's a doctor. He's a Bhagwan for this Mahakumbh who has helped people. First of all, really thank you, sir. And congratulations, sir, for this hosting this mega event. Sir, really thank you for coming and for helping us, sir.
Thank you, Rohit, but don't say God.
Sir, डॉक्टर भगवान होते हैं।
Oh, that's all right.
Yes, sir.
But God is God.
Yes, sir.
We are lesser than God.
Yes. So first question related to God.
Yes.
आप भगवान, अब डॉक्टर को भगवान माना जाता है। जब आपने बहुत सारे लोगों की इस महाकुंभ में हेल्प करी, देन व्हाट इज योर फीलिंग सर?
We cannot explain it.
इट्स बियॉन्ड वर्ड्स।
But उनके चेहरे का सुख देख के अगर आप महसूस कर सकते हैं तो फीलिंग महसूस कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज इट इज़ अनएक्सप्लेनेबल।
ओके सर। एंड सर
जो ग्रैटिट्यूड उनका होता है आपकी हेल्प करने के बाद,
यस सर,
उस ग्रैटिट्यूड को आप एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकते।
ओके सर। सर मैं डॉक्टर विवेक मिश्रा जी आपकी सर जर्नी जानना चाहता हूँ कि आप कैसे कैसे इस महाकुंभ की प्लानिंग करी, क्योंकि आप पूरे टेरेन को समझ रहे थे, आप पॉइंट्स डिसाइड करते थे कि यहाँ पे ये लोग रुकेंगे तो यहाँ पे एम्बुलेंस ऐसे पॉइंट्स होने चाहिए। तो सर इसके पीछे बहुत ब्रेन लगा होगा, प्लीज़ एक्सप्लेन इट सर।
बेसिकली रोहित जी मैंने 2001 का भी कुंभ किया है।
ओके सर।
और 2013 का भी, 2007 का अर्धकुंभ किया है और 2019 का अर्धकुंभ किया है।
ओके सर।
तो
यू आर एक्सपर्ट सर।
और 2019 के अर्धकुंभ में
Yes, sir.
मैं सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट का नोडल था।
ओके सर।
तो जो आपने स्वच्छ और भव्य कुंभ देखा था,
हाँ जी सर,
उसके पीछे थोड़ा सा रोल मेरा भी था।
ओके सर।
और एक भी कचड़ा जो है आपको रोड पे नहीं मिला, ये हम लोगों के हमारे सफाई कर्मियों की मेहनत थी और उन्होंने हमसे सहयोग किया, तो एक भी कचड़ा नहीं मिला, जिसके लिए कि मुझे जो है गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड से सम्मानित किया गया था।
ग्रेट सर। सर वी हैव नाउ गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड होल्डर डॉक्टर विवेक मिश्रा विद अस। यस।
तो इस कुंभ में जब ये मौका मिला तो आई वॉज इंटर्ड इन द प्राइमरी प्रोविंशियल मेडिकल हेल्थ सर्विसेज एज ए मेडिकल अफसर इन 1992।
ओके सर।
आई एम बेसिकली पीडियाट्रिशियन।
ओके सर।
एंड मैंने अपना MBBS इंटरमीडिएट ये गवर्नमेंट इंटर कॉलेज प्रयागराज से किया है।
यस सर।
और MBBS किया है हमने मोतीलाल नेहरू मेडिकल कॉलेज से।
ओके सर।
और DCH किया है हमने GSPM कानपुर से।
फाइन सर.
तो हमने एज ए मेडिकल अफसर ज्वाइन किया था और धीरे धीरे 32 साल हो गए मुझे नौकरी करते हुए, 32.5 साल करीब. तो धीरे धीरे सीखते 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 अब ये स्थिति आ गई कि पहले एज ए मेडिकल अफसर हुआ, अस्पतालों के एसआईसी हुए और ये कुंभ के अस्पतालों के, माघ मेला के अस्पतालों के अधीक्षक हुए. फिर अब इस कैडर पे हैं कि नाउ आई एम द सब चार्ज ऑफ द मेला.
ओके सर.
और सब चार्ज इज इक्विवेलेंट टू आवर
Main
एडिशनल डायरेक्टर. मेन रोल में है,
Yes.
सेकंड टू मेन कह लीजिए.
Sir, actually, then that's why I said Bhagwan to you, because you are actually the god for the people in the Mela.
We have to manage and think and plan with innovation.
Yes, sir.
Everything from A to Z.
Yes, sir.
So where ambulance has to stand, where the hospital has to be built up, where the central hospital and what facilities in central hospital we must have, we all decided it.
Okay, sir.
Doctors, number of specialists, number of pharmacists, number of staff nurse, all according to not exactly according to the Indian health मतलब की standard, but near to that, because you cannot provide the Indian health standard. Because that is very strict and norms is very stiff. So you need that amount of person कि आपकी बाकी पूरे प्रदेश की हेल्थ व्यवस्था चौपट हो जाएगी. तो वी आर चूज द पर्सन कि साथ में आपकी जो है जो मेडिकल एंड हेल्थ सर्विसेज पूरे स्टेट में चल रही है विदाउट इफेक्टिंग देम.
Okay, sir.
We have to pick and choose doctors, specialists from different district of the UP.
Okay.
All the UP, and fortunately, I am very fortunate, our department is very fortunate that in the history of Kumbh, first time we run 3 ICUs in the Kumbh Mela hospitals. It was not before.
Yes, sir.
2 ICU was run by the Kent General Ward Hospital, and from Central Hospital 10-bed ICU, and in Sector 24 Aral 10-bed ICU, and Sector 20 Jhusi 10-bed ICU was run by the AIIMS Raebareli.
Okay, sir. Big institution.
So we are fortunate to cop them, incorporate them in such a hospitals. That is totally temporary hospital.
Yeah, sir.
But we did it and the result was amazing. Just I want to say you कि out of 1675 patient in ICU, we have only 4 death.
Okay. Sir, actually this is a world record.
That is the world level का ICU.
Yeah, sir.
इवन हमारे इस ICU में अस्पताल में इज़राइल के, इंग्लैंड के, जर्मनी के, बम्बई, मुंबई के, दिल्ली के, हर जगह के पेशेंट आए. एंड दे वाज अमेज्ड. दे हैव रिटन इन द विजिटर बुक कि इट इज़ अमेजिंग, इट इज़ बियॉन्ड आवर एक्सपेक्टेशन, बियॉन्ड आवर थॉट प्रोसेस कि हाउ these are the temporary hospital are working so much better than some permanent hospital in our countries.
Actually, we are thanks to you for just promoting this thing for India to other countries.
They are amazed.
Yes, sir.
They have written in the visitor book कि this is beyond our imagination.
Okay, sir.
कि in this hospital, which is totally temporary hospital,
हाँ जी, sir.
built in 2.5 months with the plywood and all these things, and they are running such quality of service.
Yes, sir.
And one thing I want to say you as by your media, I want to spread in the public that our central hospital ICU is AI based ICU.
Okay, sir.
This AI based ICU is
So please
first
explain,
time
yes, sir.
in India,
Yes, sir.
and all the bed in the 10-bed ICU is on the name of river Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, Narmada, Godavari,
Great, sir.
and all these things. And all the parameters, all the multi-para monitor which is kept on which is attached to the bed, they are working properly, and The AI camera, 4 AI camera are installed in that central hospital. They all are monitoring the any adverse reading in the monitor. When they beep, they just focus it and they just send message to the director, central hospital ICU, Dr. Siddharth Pandey in the Kent General Hospital, and same time to the Medanta Lucknow Critical Care HOD.
Okay.
So our camera is bi-directional talkative.
Okay.
कि here patient can communicate the message, and from that place the doctor in the Medanta Lucknow or Siddharth can communicate in the patient and communicate to the staff by looking the
Readings and
BST कि what addition या deletion we can do in the for the betterment of patient.
सर दैट्स ग्रेट. आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क वन थिंग कि ये पूरी प्लानिंग आपने करी थी?
हाँ, maybe you can say it.
आई एम रियली थैंक यू टू
You can say it. कि we are providing such type of services along with our director, Kent Board Hospital,
ओके सर.
Dr. Siddharth Pandey. We have planned it and we did it.
सर दिस इज समथिंग पहली बार हो रहा है ये पूरे विश्व
First time in the मतलब
world.
in whole India, it is the first time AI based ICU in the temporary setup. You
Great
cannot
to you,
think
sir.
about it.
जहाँ पे कुछ नहीं होता वहाँ पे आप लोग ने जन्नत बना दी सर.
Our result is that I am telling you कि 1675 patient was admitted in ICU. All are from the myocardial यानी कि heart attack, COPD and stroke. Only 4 death is in
World
out
record.
of हाँ.
The world
That
record.
is you can say negligible death is that.
Yes sir, of
And
course.
most of the patient return back to home with the good condition.
That's why in starting I said Bhagwan to you. Sir, yes sir. Sir, one more question is that मैंने innovations में पढ़ा है कि air ambulance और river ambulance start हुई.
Right, right.
Sir, आप please उसको explain कर दीजिए.
Just I am telling you more कि we have first time we have developed the 2 sub-central hospital in the this Kumbh. Because with the our past experience, we thought कि at the time of when there is main Snan Parv, so it is very congested to go come from the Jhusi or Aral to the central hospital Parade.
Yes, sir.
So we have put in another sub-central hospital of 25 bed in the Jhusi area, sector 20.
Okay.
Because that is the area of Akhada and all the very dense populated area. And another जो है hospital, sub-central hospital of 25 bed with 10 bed ICU with central Kent General Board Hospital in the Arayal of sector 24.
Yes, sir.
So the patient can take the services at that place.
Yes sir.
And that ICU also working well. ICU of 20 sector is also working well. And this all we did it, and we cannot say कि it is our thought process. It's the thought process of Almighty God and Gangaji and Bajrang Bali. We did it.
Yes sir. Sir, something about air ambulance and water ambulance. Yeah.
First time we have thought about the river ambulance.
Wow sir.
So earlier we have adopted 20 river ambulance, but because there are 30 bridges in the pontoon bridges, so the space for the 20 river ambulance was not sufficient. So we have put a 6 river ambulance.
Okay, sir.
All equipped with the oxygen cylinder, suction machine, and all the stampede kit. We have made the stampede kit, we have made the burn kit, we have made the drowning kit. And all the kits have their constituent which is relevant for the that event, that is drowning or burn or जो है, in one bag you can get all the things.
Okay.
What needed for that patient.
That's something कि अगर ट्रैफिक होगी तो हमारे पास एयर वाटर एम्बुलेंस है एक जगह.
वाटर एम्बुलेंस है, वाटर एम्बुलेंस से वी हैव प्लान्ड इट कि हम उस पेशेंट को वहाँ पे सक्शन करके एम्बुलेंस से भेज देंगे, और अगर आवश्यकता पड़ी तो उस एम्बुलेंस से वी हैव कम्युनिकेटेड विद द ओडी फोर्ट कि दे विल प्रोवाइड अस ए प्लेस इन द मतलब कि नियर मनकामेश्वर, कि वहाँ से वो हमारा रिवर एम्बुलेंस लाके ये एम्बुलेंस से हम लोग बाहर मूव कर सकते हैं.
Yes sir.
We have talked it and we have worked it, but we are fortunate that we don't need that. We need not that, but we have planned it.
That's part of
And
planning.
we have one air ambulance, which was in 19 Ardhkumb also. The same company was here this time and we lifted 3 patients
Okay.
to the Delhi.
Okay sir.
and fortunately all three patient was come back after treatment and they get cured.
Really, thank you, sir. Actually, this is looking like incredible things are happening.
Right.
And it's because of your minds only. Sir, my last question is just not, I know that it's a crucial time for you. सर कि आपका पहली बार कुंभ में ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस, टफ एक्सपीरियंस कब आपने वो आपको लगा, कब टफ लगा कुंभ आपको थोड़ा सा, और आपका बेस्ट क्या था सर, आपने कैसे आउटकम किया, कैसे बाहर आए उससे?
देखिए, एट द टाइम ऑफ स्टैम्पीड,
यस सर,
एट द 29th,
टॉकिंग अबाउट 29, या
29th,
या
we was much worried when we heard कि there is stampede in the Sangam Nose.
ओके.
So we all were sleeping in our मतलब this temporary awas,
Yes sir.
just behind the central hospital.
Okay sir.
We just run to the central hospital, and we have चूँकि our ambulance is located strategically located, so they have seen stampede and they start working auto mode. They have start working auto mode, and they carried it. Only 1 or 2 call for the stampede, otherwise all the ambulance came in the and 1.5 hour there was nothing sound like ambulance at that time. All the beeper, all the hooter was running, and we all standing there. We are managing the patient. Even I am at the level of subcharge. We are just having the stretcher pulling and all the what we can do, what we did it, and finally after 4 hours we find it we have done it.
Sir, because of you only.
Three person we have done the CPR,
Okay.
which was about to die.
Okay.
When we saw in the stretcher, our ground staff was so active कि as ambulance reached there, they just opened the gate and they just transferred to stretcher and came here. And we all, our emergency expert was standing there कि which patient is able to revive. So we have seen these patients are able to revive. They just did the CPR there and they revive it.
Yes.
And one of them was a lady of 32 years,
Okay.
which was 2-month pregnancy. When she revived, she was telling like anything, कि sir, you saved me and my baby also.
Sir, it's great, sir. Really, thank you, sir. Really, thank you for saving and making the country proud. Last but not the least, sir, I would like to ask, sir, आपने इतने कुंभ देखे हैं, आपको बहुत एक्सपीरियंस है, बट वन मोर क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट कुंभ में सर ऐसा क्या जो हल्की सी चूक रह गई जिसको आपको वो करना चाहते हो, ठीक करना चाहते हो?
We have to just make one more thing. We just want to add in next Kumbh कि we have drop back. We don't have drop back services.
Okay.
जो patient we just carry it when patient is sick. Our ambulance is attached to 1920. That is the toll-free number of Mela Pradhikaran. But we don't have facility to drop back patient home, because here all the patient who are living there, they don't have their own vehicle.
Okay.
So they are living in the camp. So we want to add, I want to add drop back service in the next Kumbh also, Arth Kumbh also.
Yes, sir. सर, इट्स ग्रेट टॉकिंग टू यू. एक्चुअली यू आर द वन जिसने हमारी कंट्री के, इंडिया के फ्लैग को प्राउड किया. आई एम रियली थैंक यू एंड रियली कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू फॉर दिस.
It is more appreciation. It is more. Thank you for Rohit. Thank you for giving me a chance to communicate our message to the public.
Yes, sir.
And I just want to say public, come and take holy dip in the, whether this Kumbh or next Kumbh, anything. But be aware for your surrounding, because stampede is the main cause if you are not aware of your surrounding.
Yeah.
So even a single life is very important for us.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So don't lose your life. Be aware and take holy dip. It's our pleasure
Really thank you for on our show.
to serve you.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir. Har Har Mahadev.
Thank you.